Welcome back. We are now ready to glue our picture onto our tile board. I like to use wax paper for gluing. We have our tile board which has been painted. We have our 9 segments that we have cut, and now we're ready to glue it onto the tile board. This is what I suggest. Bring your picture over here onto a piece of wax paper. Get your glue stick. I usually glue the tile board and the picture to get a really nice stick to your board. We don't want any of the corners lifting up at all. So I'm going to do the board. Oh, running out of here. And glue that right on there. What's nice about a glue stick is that it still has mobility. You can slide it around to fit exactly on top of that tile. Now what we'll do at the very end is, after we've glued everything on, we'll take a clean piece of wax paper, put it on top of our picture, and smooth it out and make sure there's no bubbles, wrinkles, and everything is tied down tight.